The Damansky incident, also known as the Zhenbao Island incident, stands as a perilous chapter in the Cold War, highlighting the fragile relationship between two major communist powers, China and the Soviet Union. This article serves as a documentary-style exploration of the Damansky incident, shedding light on the historical events, political dynamics, and the near-conflict situation that unfolded between China and the Soviet Union. Part 1. Sino-Soviet Relations in the Cold War. The documentary begins by examining the broader context of Sino-Soviet relations during the Cold War. Despite both being ideologically aligned as communist nations, China and the Soviet Union experienced strained ties due to differing interpretations of Marxist doctrine, territorial disputes, and geopolitical ambitions. Part 2. Territorial Dispute over Damansky-Zhenbao Island. The article delves into the specific territorial dispute over Damansky Island, situated along the Usheri River on the Sino-Soviet border. The island became a flashpoint due to conflicting claims, with both China and the Soviet Union asserting historical rights to the territory. Part 3. Escalation of tensions and military buildup. As tensions escalated, the documentary explores the military buildup along the Sino-Soviet border. Both sides deployed troops and engaged in a war of words, heightening the risk of a military confrontation over Damansky Island. Part 4. The Damansky incident unfolds. The article vividly recounts the events of March 2, 1969, when Chinese and Soviet forces clashed on Damansky Island. The incident resulted in casualties on both sides and marked a critical juncture where the situation threatened to escalate into a full-scale war between the two communist giants. Part 5. Diplomatic Efforts and Crisis Management. The documentary sheds light on the diplomatic efforts undertaken to de-escalate the crisis. Despite the ideological rift between China and the Soviet Union, global pressure and the specter of a potential nuclear conflict compelled both sides to seek a peaceful resolution. Part 6. The Role of the United States and the Cold War Context. The article explores the role of the United States in influencing the dynamics of the Damansky incident. The backdrop of the broader Cold War context, where the U.S. sought to exploit Sino-Soviet tensions to its advantage, added complexity to the delicate situation. Part 7. Aftermath and Impact on Sino-Soviet Relations. The documentary examines the aftermath of the Damansky incident and its impact on Sino-Soviet relations. While the conflict did not escalate further, the event further strained ties, contributing to a prolonged period of hostility between China and the Soviet Union. Part 8. Lessons Learned and Legacy. The article concludes by reflecting on the lessons learned from the Damansky incident and its enduring legacy. The event underscored the volatility inherent in the Sino-Soviet relationship and the potential for conflicts between ideological allies, offering valuable insights into the intricacies of Cold War geopolitics. Conclusion. The Damansky incident, as explored in this documentary-style narrative, provides a gripping account of the near-conflict situation that unfolded between China and the Soviet Union. The clash over Damansky Island serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance maintained during the Cold War and the potential consequences of ideological discord between erstwhile allies. Understanding the complexities of the Damansky incident contributes to a nuanced understanding of the geopolitical landscape of the time and the fragility of global peace during the Cold War era.